In the back of the throat, the accumulation of mucus, the frequent need to clear the throat. Today, we will talk about its treatment and the three main reasons why it happens. We will understand why this occurs, and in this video, I will cover everything you need to know so that this problem never bothers you again. When you take antibiotics, especially for viral infections, they not only eliminate the infection, but also cause many side effects. Antibiotics destroy the friendly bacteria in your body, which weakens your immune system. Your immune system becomes weak, and the absence of these friendly bacteria allows fungal growth in your body. These friendly bacteria naturally inhibit fungal growth in our body, but since they are eliminated, this fungus can spread throughout the body. This also leads to sinusitis. Sinusitis is a medical condition in which inflammation occurs in the nasal cavities, causing headaches, a runny or blocked nose. So, in trying to eliminate a small viral infection, you end up trapped in a bigger problem and rely on stronger medicines, which further weaken your immune system. We will discuss all these one by one and learn how you can get rid of throat mucus without heavy medication. Reason 1. Gastroesophageal reflux disease. GERD occurs when the valve between the stomach and the food pipe fails to close, allowing stomach acid to frequently flow back into the esophagus. This causes irritation, inflammation, and mucus in the throat, making you feel the need to clear your throat repeatedly. Many people suffer from this problem and are often prescribed antacids or acid-reducing tablets. In reality, this issue arises due to low stomach acid. Insufficient stomach acid fails to close this valve properly, causing the acid to enter the esophagus. I have made a detailed video on this, and you can find the link below this video. You can take 3 to 4 capsules of betaine hydrochloride before meals and include apple cider vinegar in your diet. These help balance the pH levels in your stomach and regulate stomach acid. You can also opt for expensive treatments like endoscopy to understand your body's condition. But this is a simple and affordable solution for treating acid reflux, and many people benefit from it. People suffering from acid reflux often experience gas, bloating, and indigestion after meals. Reason 2. Postnasal drip. Postnasal drip is a condition where mucus drips from the back of the nasal cavities into the throat, often causing coughing. This can result from viral, bacterial, or fungal infections. It occurs due to biofilms created by friendly bacteria to protect themselves from antibiotics. These bacteria form colonies and a protective shield around them, which prevents antibiotics from harming them. Without this shield, antibiotics would not differentiate between friendly and harmful bacteria, killing them all. Another reason can be calcification, such as tartar buildup in teeth or plaque in arteries. If treated with antibiotics, this problem can worsen. You might notice an increase in mucus dripping in your throat, snoring, or difficulty breathing, especially if you've taken antibiotics recently. This is due to fungal growth, disturbed biofilms, and the absence of friendly microbes. If your mucus is yellowish or greenish, it is due to bacterial infection, whereas clear mucus usually indicates a viral infection. However, this distinction is not 100% accurate, as you could have both infections simultaneously. For mild cases of postnasal drip, you can use normal saline solution for gargling or nasal rinsing. Rinse your nasal passages thoroughly using nasal rinse bottles available in the market. Videos are available to guide you on how to perform nasal rinses. Salt has antimicrobial properties, making it an easy and effective method for mild infections. You can make this saline solution at home by mixing half a teaspoon of salt in a cup of lukewarm water. For nasal rinses, you can also use baby shampoo as it contains fewer chemicals compared to regular shampoo. Mix 2 teaspoons of baby shampoo in 4 cups of lukewarm water and rinse your nose thoroughly 3 to 4 times a day. This will loosen the mucus stuck in your sinuses. Combining baby shampoo with salt makes it even more effective. You can also use povidone-iodine, diluted with an equal part of water, and apply it in your nostrils using cotton buds. This mixture is a powerful antimicrobial agent, but should be diluted to avoid irritation. Gargle with the leftover solution for 30 seconds every 12 hours. Let it stay in the back of your throat before spitting it out. This method is very effective, and you'll feel much better after trying it once or twice. Environmental factors and immune system. Environmental pollution is another factor that contributes to throat mucus. To combat this, you need to strengthen your immune system. Prolonged fasting, like extended periods of fasting or intermittent fasting, is highly beneficial. Food allergies can also cause this problem, with common culprits being dairy products and sugar, which cause inflammation. Avoid these, as well as calcium supplements, which can lead to soft tissue development and even heart attacks. Include raw garlic in your diet, as it is antimicrobial and strengthens your immune system. It is essential to identify the source of the mucus, whether it's originating from the stomach, dripping from the nose, or coming from the throat. That is the purpose of this video. Thank you for visiting the channel. For more videos, please subscribe. Take care. Goodbye.